It's time to take 5. Now you know.
We're visiting Palm Beach Gardens Medical Center, a Palm Beach Health Network hospital. Today we're speaking with Dr. Nishant Patel, a cardiothoracic surgeon, about minimally invasive heart surgery. Doctor, tell us about the types of conditions you treat as a cardiothoracic surgeon.
The diseases I treat involve operations on the heart and what we call the great vessels. So these operations include bypass surgery, valve surgery for various types of valve disorders, operations on the great vessels, and finally operations for atrial fibrillation.
Palm Beach Gardens Medical Center was the first hospital in Palm Beach County and the Treasure Coast to perform open heart surgery in 1983 and has performed close to 19,000 open hearts since. It's exciting to hear that the hospital is expanding their offerings to the community and now performs minimally invasive heart surgery without the need to surgically separate the chest, an option for patients suffering from heart valve disease. Can you explain how this works?
At Palm Beach Gardens Medical Center, we have now developed a minimally invasive heart surgery program. This is where we can perform the same operations with the same level of safety and, importantly, the same level of quality without having to divide the chest bone. These procedures involve much smaller incisions on the side of the chest, between the ribs, without having to divide the chest bone. So this is something that we've embarked on. We've been incredibly successful with it. We're one of only 2 programs in our county that performs these kind of operations, and we've become the busiest valve program in Palm Beach County because of it.
Several types of heart procedures can be performed minimally invasively. Can you give us some examples?
There are many operations that can be performed in a minimally invasive fashion. These include valve operations. We can perform mitral valve replacement operations or mitral valve repair operations. We can perform operations that close various kinds of holes in the heart. And the final type of operation we can perform in a minimally invasive fashion would be surgery for atrial fibrillation.
What may be some potential benefits compared to traditional open heart surgery?
Some of the benefits include cosmetic. So of course, the incision is quite a bit smaller, 6 inches for a sternotomy approach where you divide the chest bone versus 6 centimeters for an incision that is minimally invasive. Some of the recovery is markedly shorter and improved. So patients are able to return to full activity or work at a much faster pace than if we had to divide the chest bone. There's also studies that have shown decreased bleeding risk, decreased length of stay, decreased pain with a minimally invasive approach.
The comprehensive cardiovascular program at Palm Beach Gardens Medical Center is very advanced and involves a team approach for every single heart encountered. Why should a patient choose Palm Beach Gardens Medical for their cardiovascular needs?
In order to perform innovative techniques and perform technologically advanced procedures and complex procedures, you need a very strong team. And that's why I think of all the options that patients have, Palm Beach Gardens Medical Center is the top. So when patients ask me where they should have their open heart procedure, I always tell them that the best option is the one that provides you the best team approach, a site that is busy, that does these procedures every day of the year. At Palm Beach Gardens Medical Center, we have an excellent team approach. From our OR staff, our physical therapists and cardiac rehab nurses, our bedside nurses, and our cardiac trained intensivists, surgeons, and physician extenders, we have the best team to take care of the sickest patients in our county.
Thank you, Dr. Patel, for all of this helpful information. We hope everyone understands it's important to take care of your health, and if you're experiencing cardiovascular issues, please do not hesitate to go to the hospital. The doctors, nurses, and staff at Palm Beach Gardens Medical Center are there to keep you healthy and safe.